What up guys? Ngayon maglalaro tayo ng Seijon Drop. Ano siya? Parang Japanese mythology ata. Horror. Okay, laruin na natin. Takot ako sa... First thing. Play. New game. Woohoo! Yeah! My name is Chugumi Yoneda. I'm a high school student. Summer break has come to an end and we all had to go back to school. But something has changed. There's a new girl now in class. Her name is Yukio Ashu. I tried to talk to her, but she turned out to be an outcast type and preferred to be alone. I, but I was pretty persistent, and it worked. She reached out to me today. She looked very frustrated. She told me that yesterday she took her little brother to play at an abandoned apartment building at the outskirts. It was strange. I'd never played with anyone around that. Here in my school, we all heard about this apartment. The whole complex was built many years ago and got abandoned due to very poor living conditions. There are also some rumors telling stories about a brutal yakuza outfit that terrorized people living there, or, or a ghost girl haunting the buildings. But I I doubt those are true, especially the second one. Still, the problem is our Shiwa brother Yuta disappeared somewhere while they were playing. He's still missing. She asked me to help her look for him. After classes, we went to the apartment complex. Ano pare? Ganda ng ano niyan. Uy. Let's go. I really hope he's okay. Piper. It's dark and murky. I think we should split. This way we have bigger chance of finding Yuta. Good idea. I will take the first floor. You can go upstairs. Thank you so much for helping me, Yoneda. I really mean it. And please, be careful. You too. I will see you upstairs. Birds, natatakot na ako, birds. Ay! Hindi ako tignan man. Okay. It's locked. Locked. It's too dark to see. Takot ako, birds. Nakabahan. Yuta! Asan ka, Yuta? Yutaira! Uy! Pre! Takot ako, pre. Yoneda! Oh, Shima! Is that you? I can't see you. Sorry. I haven't found Yuta on the first floor. we go to the first and I'm terrible for tricking you like. You see, I could barely hold myself backward in school. Awashima, what is this about? So I was talking. I'm at my limit here. Seriously, what did you do to me? I have a secret that nobody knows about. Hey! Ano mo? Ay, ay, sobrang day. Ah! Kupal pala yung kupal na yan. Okay, isa tayo mag-ano. Tayo tatago. Saan tayo tatago? Teka lang guys. Ayos lang ako. May kinagtitig ka sa akin. Okay, okay na ako. Teka, paano ba dito mag-crouch? Meron bang mag-crouch? Yun si... Ay, doon sa may cabinet. Oo, doon tayo tatago. Okay, gets. Huwag natin sayangin ang ating stamina. Yun na. Saan pa ka dyan? Takbo na kaagad tayo. Ano, labas pa ang dede. Hello? Ay, lapit na siya! Lapit! Ganon. Layo kasi neto eh. Teka, tignan natin to. Wala. Oo, ayun nga lang. Skabrat ya. Una. Huwag natin siya tignan sa likod. Diretso na tayo doon. Mga tubol. Ay! Oh! Ba yan? Ano ba yan? Practice tayo. Practice. Practice makes perfect. Yan o, takbo, pahinga, takbo, pahinga. Open, 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 yan, pakak, yan. Okay, buksan na natin yan para di na tayo maghirap. Ito talaga, Yuko. Yuiko! Ay! Saan ako pupunta? Hey guys, nabibisit ako. Yan na lang.